Okay, for both hands, section 2, Dance of the Sugar Plum Fairies, we're going to go nice and slow. The left hand's going to come in first. Right hand comes with the left hand note. Right hand. Together. Together. Going back to your bottom note. D sharp in the right hand. Together. Next notes come together. We're moving to the D natural here with the E in the left hand again. We're going to go together right, and then finish the last D with the B in the top part of finger. Is that finger 2 here? No, the thumb. And then finger 2 here.